Once again I'm with you guys. This one is the 4th week that you are gonna be with me. As you know, I'm Milenia Carias. I'm an English student from the UPM FM Kurnak. The topic for this week is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Let's start. Our sub-competency for today's class is talk about experiences using present perfect. When do we use present perfect, guys? Or when you are going to use present perfect? Here I have 2 grammar points. The first one, to talk about a life experience that happened at a non-specific, unimportant point in time. So, when specifically this experience happened, it is not important in this grammar point. This grammar point, guys, allow us to simply say we have or have not had an experience. If you can see here the timeline, here we have a timeline with the past, present, and future. Yes? Maybe this life experience that we are talking about here happened here or here. We don't know the specific time. It is unimportant. But we know and we are sure that this life experience happened before the present. Yes? Before the present. Could be here or here. Now the second grammar point. Used to talk about an action that started in the past and continues to the present. If you can see here the timeline, the past here, it means the action started here and continues to the present. Yes? The effect of an action that started in the past continues to the present. From here until here. Yes? In this grammar point, guys, listen to me. In this grammar point, we can talk about where we live, studies, job experiences, and so on. Later on, you will be learning. Let's read some regular and irregular verbs in past participle. So there are more verbs, but today just we are going to read this one. Selected, smoked, snored, stirred, started, and the last one studied. The next one, been, come, done, eaten, made, seen, taken, and written. Now, structure of sentences. You will be learning how you will create affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Here I have the structure. Subject plus have or has plus the past participle, and in some cases you will be using the complement. This one is in affirmative. Then we have the next one. Subject plus have plus has plus not plus the past participle in negative. And in question, the first one is going to be have or has plus the subject plus the past participle, and in some cases plus the complement. Now guys, how you are going to create, listen to me, how you are going to create affirmative sentences. Easy, right? The structure is the subject, in this case I, you, he, she, it, you, we, and they, whatever, plus have or has, plus the past participle, plus the complement. Here we have the subject I, plus have, plus the past participle played. I have played. Here we don't have the complement. Now, the noun of the subject that we are going to use for singular are I, you, he, she, and it. I and you will use have. He, she, and it, you will use has. For plural, you, we, and they, you will use have. Now, here we have for and since. It's really important that you practice for's and since. We use for's and since, guys, to express an action, listen to me, that begins in the past and continues to the present. Now, let's learn how you are going to use for. It is used for a period of time, can be years, minutes, months, weeks, and so on. Here I have a sentence in affirmative, of course. I have played soccer for 3 years. Yes, if you can see here, I'm using a period of time. Years. 3 years. Now the second one, since. It is used for a point in time, guys. It means when the action started, we mention the exact time. For example, she has lived in China since 2018. Here, if you can see, we know when the action started in 2018. We mention the exact time. A structure of negative sentences, guys, is easy. The subject, in this case I, plus have, not, or has not, plus the past participle plus the complement. Let's read with me. I have not eaten at the restaurant in a long time. Yes, I'm using have not because it's for singular. Have not. Now, Jean, in this one we are going to use hasn't, has not, third person. Jean has not worked on Fridays since he joined the company. Now, your job is going to be that at home you will read the sentence number 3. A structure of interrogative sentences. Have plus have, or you can use has. It depends on the subject, right? Plus the subject, plus the past participle, plus the complement. Have, plus the subject, in this case is you, plus the past participle, written, plus the complement, a book about your life. Yes, you are going to answer I have or no, I have not. Have you written a book about your life? Yes, I have, or no, I have not. The second one, has, plus the subject, she, plus the past participle, visited, plus the complement, Japan several times. Have she visited Japan several times? Yes, she has. No, she has not. And you alone, you are going to read the number 3. Here I have some example sentences. Let's make a review. Here I have 3, right? Here I have 3 sentences. Positive, negative, and interrogative. Have I, with my friends, eaten chicken? Now let's organize. I have eaten chicken with my friends. The second one, has not played soccer she since 2019. She has not played soccer since 2019. The last one, you live in London, have. Have you lived in London? A question. Yes, remember how you are going to answer. Thank you guys. Thanks for being with me.